Hello students, now we'll move to our next point, that is division of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number without remainder and with remainder. So let's understand it first, the solve sum. Example, divide 4026 by 2. So here that is solved. So let's understand it first. So 4026 by 2. So we'll go for 1 digit at a time. So first digit is what? 4. So 2 how many is a 4? 2 2s are 4. So 4 2 2s are. So 2 will write at the quotient place and 4 will write exactly below to the 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we'll bring next number. Next is what? 0. So we have to find out the 0 in 2's table. So 2 how many is a 0? 2 zeros are 0. Before 1 there is the place 0. So 2 ones are 2. Before 2 ones are 2 zeros are comes. So 2 zeros are 0. So now 0 minus 0 again 0. Now time to bring down next number. Next is what? 2. So 2. So 2 how many is a 2? 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2. Again perform the minus. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now next number is what? 6. So we will bring it down again. So 6. So 2 how many is a 6? 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 6 is in 0. So what is our quotient? Quotient is 2013 and remainder is 0. Now next is what? Divide 3064 by 3. So let's understand it. So 3064 by 3. So take first digit at a time, 1 digit at a time. So 3. So 3 how many is a 3? 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 is what? 0. So we'll bring down its next number. Next is what? 0. So 3 how many is a 0? 3 zeros are 0. So 3 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Now bring down next number. Next is what? 6. So 6. So 3 how many is a 6? 3 2s are 6. Again 6 minus 6 is what? 0. Now bring down its next number. Next is what? 4. So we'll bring it down 4. So we have to find the 4 in 3's table. So 3 how many is a 4? So you will find out that 4 doesn't come in 3's table. So which smaller number comes in 3's table which is less than 4? That is 3 only. So 3 ones are 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Now no more number is left. So we will finish our division over here. So what is our quotient? 1021 is our quotient and remainder is 1. So this is how we have to solve the sum. Now next is what? Next is exercise 2.6. So first is what? Divide A. 8624 divide by 2. So first arrange it. 8624 divide by 2. So we'll go for 1 digit at a time. First digit is what? 8. So 2 how many is a 8? 2 4s are 8, right? So 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8 0. Now bring down its next number. Next is 6. So we have to find 6 in 2's table. So 2 how many is a 6? 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So we have to write the place at the quotient place. So 3 and 2 3s are 6. So perform minus over here. So 6 minus 6 is what? 0. Again we'll bring down 2. So 2. So we have to find 2 in 2's table. At which place? 1's place. 2 1s are 2. Now 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Now bring down its next number. Next is what? 4. So bring it down 4. So 2 how many is a 4? 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. Perform minus. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So what is our quotient? 4312 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. 0 is our remainder. So this is how you have to solve it. Next sum is what? 2084 divided by 4. So first arrange it. 2084 divided by 4. We'll go for 1 digit at a time. So first digit is what? 2. but you will find out 2 doesn't come in 4 stable, right? So you will take 2 digit at a time. So first 2 digit is become 20, 2 and 0 is become 20. So we have to find 20 in 4 stable. So 4 how many is a 20? Count the table of 4 up to 20. So 4 how many is a 20? 4 5s are 20. So perform subtraction. So minus sign, 20 minus 20 is 0. Now bring down its next number. Next is what? 8. So 8. 4 how many is a 8? 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 minus 8 is what? 0. And now bring down its next. Next is what? 4. So 4 how many is a 4? 4 1s are 4. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Now no number is remaining for the division, so we'll finish our division over here. So what is our quotient? 521 is our quotient, and remainder is what? 0. So I hope you can try D and C and D sum by your own. Next is what? Question number 2. 4823 divided by 4. So 4823 divided by 4. So we'll go for one digit at a time. So first digit is what? 4. So 4 how many is a 4? 4 1s are 4. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Bring down its next number. Next is what? 8. So we'll bring down 8. So 4 how many is a 8? 4 2s are 8. So 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 8 is what? 0. Now bring down its next. Next is what? 2. So 2. So we have to find 2 in 4 stable, but you will find out that 2 doesn't come in 4 stable. So which smaller number comes in 4 stable which is less than 2? So that is 0, right? 4 1s are 4, but 4 1s are 4. Before that which place comes? 0th place comes. So 4 0s are 0, which is smaller than 2. So we'll take that place. So 2 minus 0 is 2, and we'll bring down its next number. Next is what remaining? 3. So number is become 23. So you have to count 23 in 4 stable. So you have to count 23 in 4 stable. So when you go through the table, you will find out 23 doesn't come in 4 stable. So which smaller number comes in 4 stable which is less than 23? That is 20. So 4 how many is that? 20. 4 5s are 20. So minus. So what is the remainder? 3 minus 0 is 3, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the quotient over here? 1205 is our quotient. And what is the remainder? 3 is our remainder. You will write that values in the given places. Quotient, you will write quotient in the quotient place and remainder in the remainder place. So next is what? 8407 divided by 6. I hope you can try this. I'll take C sum. 6567 divided by 8. So we'll take one digit at a time. So first digit is what? 6. But you will notice that 6 doesn't come in 8 stable. So we'll take two numbers at a time. So first two numbers become 65. 65, 65. So we have to count the table up to 65. Table of 8 up to 65. So when you will go through the table, you will find out that 65 doesn't come in 8 stable. So which smaller number comes in 8 stable which is less than 65? That is 64. So at which place? 8 8s are 64. So 64 will perform subtraction. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now bring down its next number. Next is what? 6. Number is become 16. So you have to count the table of 8 up to 16. So 8 how many is a 16? 8 2s are 16. So 8 2s are 16. Minus 16. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. We'll bring down its next number. Next is 7. So we have to find out 7 in 8's table, but you will notice that 7 is smaller than 8, that is 7 doesn't come in 8's table. So which smaller number comes in 8's table which is less than 7? That is 0. So 8 ones are 8, before 1, 1's place, that is there is 0th place, right? So 8 zeros are 0. So perform subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7 only. So what is the quotient over here? 820 is our quotient. So we'll write quotient at the quotient place and write remainder in the remainders place. So 7 is our remainder. So this is how you have to solve the sum. I hope you can try the remaining sums with your own.